Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a ACEFAST charger. It's a 3-in-1 charge station. It'll charge your iPhone 12, MagSafe with the magnetic thing with the 12, your Apple Watch, and as well as your AirPods. It does work still with Android. You will still be able to charge it since it's, wireless charge. But like I said, 3-in-1. So we are gonna test that out. We got the AirPods. We got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the Apple Watch. But this is USB to USB Type C connection. We do have the tester right here, so we're gonna be able to see how many watts it's actually gonna pull for every single one. So let's plug it back in, and the phone part, it does swivel, but it only swivels up and down. It does not go all the way around, but that's fine. You could always twist the phone if you need it, but it does have an indicator on the bottom, and every time you put one item, it'll turn green depending on which item you're charging. So the AirPods show that they charge at 2 watts. The iPhone charges at 5 watts. And the Apple Watch is the same as the AirPods, is of 2 watts or 3 watts. In total of 9 watts total. It does not come with a brick, so like I said, it's just USB connected, and it'll just draw its power from its station itself to see how much it actually needs to put out. But pretty and clean setup. You could keep it by your nightstand and charge all your items at once. Pretty good, pretty cool. 5 watts. Anyways, link in the description down below if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. They have more than this item themselves, so thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.